Hey guys, I just downloaded this IMEI Checker Pro from the Apple Store, and I'm looking to purchase a used phone, and I just want to make sure that it's a legit phone. I'm not buying something that I can't unlock or use. So this really is a great checker that I've heard works really well. So I'm just going to give it a shot here, and we're actually going to check a phone that I'm looking to purchase. So first thing you want to do is you want to what I'm searching for is by the IMEI Checker. So let's do that. So there's different options you can do and look for. So iPhone services, status services, and so forth, generic services. But what we're going to be looking for today is we're going to go to, let me just find it, the Apple Basic Info. And then I'm going to be typing in the IMEI number real quick. So let's see. Click done and click submit. There we go. So we have some search results here, and the model is correct that I'm looking to purchase. iPhone 8 Plus, 64 gigabytes gold. And let's see here. iCloud status is clean. You'll see though in the blacklist status, reported lost by a T-Mobile customer. Okay, so that could throw up some red flags here. And something that I would want to better understand from the seller, if this phone is actually being resold as a stolen item, which of course I don't want. So we got that information. Now the other thing I want to check is, let me just go back here, do another check. Go back. So I'm gonna do another check here. Let's see. So T-Mobile US. Where is it? There we go. T-Mobile US Pro. And again, I'm gonna put in the number. Submit. And again, blacklist. The ESN status is stolen. Blacklist reason report stolen by T-Mobile customer. So again, this is a really good tool this app is a really good tool to find this stuff out and not get the phone and have a problem trying to unlock it or anything like that, or even getting stolen property, right? You don't want to be in the hands of that. The last thing I want to check here is T-Mobile unbarring. So let me just click on that. And again, we're going to put it in one more time. Our code. Submit. And here's these results here. Again, ESN status is clean on this version. So cleaning reason, report a loss by T-Mobile customer, cleaning date. There's the additional information there. And really what this is used to do is to remove the blacklist status. So if this was truly a found phone, it was determined to be clean and legit, right? This is good information for you to understand, to remove that blacklist status. So I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.